Happy Monday. Welcome, Intro to Programming class. Today, we are going to get you started. So hopefully you've done your introductions, you've gone over class expectations, and we're just going to get you started with some basic information about the class and do some run-throughs about what assignment's going to be due today. And there's going to be some homework assignment that's actually going to be due on Friday. Again, welcome to Intro to Programming. My name is Miss Bowman, so if you haven't had me yet, I look forward to seeing you. Mrs. Spoolhoff will be teaching through spring break, and I should be returning on the 16th, so just a week after spring break. So in the meantime, you guys are going to get me to do some video conferencing with you, as well as some tutorial videos like this. Today we're going to work on doing some block programming, but tomorrow and for the rest of the trimester, we're going to be looking at Java. Okay, so just to run through a few class notes or class things that we should take care of. Every day, or almost every day, I'm going to put updates, and it's basically a rundown of what I'm expecting to happen either that day or maybe a block of time. Like if we have a challenge or a project, I'll put in the updates, hey, from Monday to Friday, we're going to be working on this. So take a look at the updates daily, especially the first thing when you come into class. It's going to run through what we're going to be working on. And that way, too, if you're gone, if you're sick, if you're on vacation, or you have to leave for vacation earlier, you have that information and you can access what we're doing or know what we're doing on your own without having to ask me or find somebody else. So good location, landing point for you to always start is Schoology under updates. Okay, so another thing we're going to take a look at is materials. I tend to post things in upcoming as well as on the updates, but if you're ever wondering where to find things material-wise, it's going to be right here under materials. Tomorrow, we're going to get you guys set up in Repellent, but for today, we're just going to be working on this Monday folder first day. We're going to go through as well as how I'm going to share my screen with you all when we work on doing some actual coding together. But again, that will be tomorrow. So today what you're going to work on is you're going to work on this Monday folder first day. And you're going to click on there. And you're going to work on an assignment, the first assignment, code game. And if you click on that, it has a video. I'll just click on it quick here. It has what you're going to be doing, the video that you're going to watch, that's going to explain what you're going to be doing, and then some links that are going to be really important for you. You're going to document your work here in this Google Doc, and then this is the link you're going to actually access to do your lessons and then game at the very end. So definitely make sure you watch the video. Also, today, if you get done with making your game, your code.org game, you can make multiple ones, or you can start on the homework assignment. The homework assignment is right here. It's due Friday at the end of the hour. But I'm going to give you guys some lead time. So if ever you have free time this week, especially like today, if you get done with your program earlier than expected, you can already start on your programming notes. I'll remind you throughout the week that this will be due on Friday, so you can go ahead and work on it in class if we've got some extra time, which you probably will, or I'll designate some time already on Friday so you can finish those up. But it's going to be some reading, so you'll have some reading. You're going to have what is computer programming. It's a pretty big site. It's going to take you to a book, an online book. You're going to do some reading here. I know, it's quite a bit. You're going to read all the way through until you get to Inside Computers, Bits and Pieces. You can stop there. So I think in the assignment I did put, if you read past the picture of the two light bulbs, you've gone too far. And the goal is for you to kind of do some ahead reading or do some reading on your own, and then take some notes. So your notes are going to have these definitions or these vocabulary words: process, procedure, algorithm, source code, importance of programming, just do a quick summary, some higher level programming languages, so you're going to list some, and then what are libraries and how are they used. We're going to go through these on probably um, Monday, the following Monday. But we're going to really talk about some of these things as we go through or start learning about Java through this week. So it's good to kind of have some of that foreknowledge ahead of time. So do some reading. Again, it's going to be homework. Um, if you if you're not using class time. I'm not sure how much class time you're going to have, but I'll definitely give you some throughout the week. But like I said, I'll remind you, but something that you can always refer back to if you've got some free time, especially today if you get done with your code.org. So that's it for today. In thinking ahead or in thinking for this class, if you are not planning on staying in this class, I strongly encourage you to make that switch as soon as possible, because I'm going to hold you to doing this work until you actually leave the class. So please make sure that you're in the right class and that you want to be here. Hopefully you do. And we'll have a great time. You're also going to probably need a notebook of some sort, or at least a pencil, and I think I have loose leaf lined paper over by the printers. But you definitely, like I said, you're going to want to have some type of area where you're going to want to take notes. You can do it all online if you're more of a typer and you like to do things on Google Docs, or you can go ahead and have some paper and pencil. But those are always good things to have, especially as we start talking about different codes, different procedures, talking about variables and that thing. So that's today for Monday. The most important thing for you to work on right now is the A1 code game. That is going to be due today, hopefully by the end of the hour. If you don't get it done, you can always take it home and do homework. You can access it through your Chromebook, and then we'll take a look at it and we'll talk more about block coding and coding in general for tomorrow. So we are going to hit the ground running. Come tomorrow, we're going to get you guys set up, and we're going to talk more about block coding and then segue that into Java. So again, today you're going to just focus on some basic coding called block coding. You're going to take a look at some programming notes if you get done with the first assignment. Programming notes are due Friday. Code.org game is due today or tonight as homework. And then tomorrow I'll talk to you guys through video conferencing, and we'll share my screen and we'll get you guys all set up. So welcome to Intro to Programming. We're glad that you chose this class, and I will talk to you guys more tomorrow. Have a great day.